Hello everyone, welcome to our channel What's Your Hobby. In this series, we are going to explore how to make beautiful greeting cards. In the series, we will learn how to make cards for different occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Raksha Bandhan and lots more. The materials required for making cards are glue, color tape, sketch pens and some basic stationery materials which are easily available in the market. Making card by yourself helps you to develop art skills along with the joy of giving it to someone special. I have given a lot of effort to make this series for you guys and I hope that you will love it. This was all about the introduction video. We will meet soon in the next video where we will learn how to make a beautiful card for birthday invitations. See you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.